Guys, this 5 minutes video will save you tons of money and will allow you to make some real nice moves, to make some little something. Right after ultimately successful session, after 21 win streak already, like 1,000 to 5,000 wins, dollars per win. And I decided to make a little video. Please enjoy, guys, and let me know in the comments below what it's called, if you know some name of this pattern. And to me personally, this is not some kind of pattern, it's just like big absorption where huge player is absorbing all shorts and just slightly pushing them with small order into empty depth of market, and they're in the depth. Please enjoy. What's up, guys? And today I want to tell you why I came up with this level and how it ended up working and why we got all that stuff. So let's get back to that. Look, you can see a lot of liquidity here, right? So here, a lot of stop losses, and here. Once price went here and I saw NQ, Nasdaq, where markets are following, decided to go lower. I assumed that the critical levels will be right here. Taking all that stuff right in the fair value gap, right? So this imbalance, and there is no stop losses where you can leave something, right? You can only start buying in some order block, as it's called in smart money. And look at this absorption. Look, isn't it manipulative absorption? People are trying to sell and it's just like exactly on the same level all the time. Look, it's exactly the same level. And you have different sales, like here. They don't care. When you're shorting this, you put your stop loss here. When you're shorting that, like this, you put your stop loss here. You shorted this, you probably put your stop loss somewhere here. You shorted again, stop loss here. Shorted again, stop loss here or here. And one moment you get pushed, all stops are getting triggered. That's why you get this candle. And then the same buyer who decided to long from here with a market order, he put his long orders here. And those who were trying to take their profits, like longs who were trying to long from here, this is why price went here. Maybe some shorts, maybe someone. So he absorbed everyone and pushed it higher, and then took all these stop losses. So now price is here, and I assume they can leave or in this order block or somewhere higher, right in these, or maybe here, right? And you can see, let's say they're trading 5, I don't know, X5 or X10 leverage. It's already 15%. It's already 30%. It's already 43%. It all depends on their goals. But you can see here, and especially after that sell-off, I assume NQ might rebound because they got exactly the same absorption right here. And after that, price moved up, and now all these stop losses are going to be triggered higher. And the funniest part, guys, look, at the beginning move, probably, okay, it's a big one. Why it keeps going further? It's because these guys, they decide, okay, I'm ready to lose $100. Some of them moved stop loss further, like $200, $500, $1,000. And here, all those guys, you probably know them. Oh yeah, I'm gonna lose like $5,000, but price won't come here. Let's gamble. And price will trigger that too. After that, some of those who are like, okay, I have 10,000 stop loss, but it's right here, less likely will come here. They will come for him. They'll just be there, and they'll take this 10,000 stop loss and will move higher. I'm not talking about like $10,000 will make something on NQ, of course nothing, but the thing is, it's all about psychology. And market maker, it's like all those algos, they're trained on people's behavior. So once I remove this thing, you might see, yeah, it's just going for their stop losses, which is funny. Right? Look, it's gonna take all these stop losses from here, and those guys who had $5,000 stop loss, they're gonna get triggered. And you can see it's the volume is picking up, and it's probably not even people are buying that. It's like shorts realizing their profits. When you're shorting here, so you're selling, but when you're closing position, you need to buy. So you're buying back your money. I mean, that's the very rough way to say, but this is the explanation. And now look at this, stop loss gonna get triggered. It's definitely gonna pierce this thing. I'm pretty sure you know this thing. When you put your stop loss right above the candle, it'll get triggered, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's it. It might even reverse after that, but I don't think so. I'm pretty sure it'll gonna go further, further, further. And the big player who was trying to trade it from here, let's say, they're already in 10% move up if they're trading extend. But I'm pretty sure they want to have more. And the same thing with cryptocurrency, right? Same thing. You can see some higher volume right than here or here, were exchanged here and also absorbed. It didn't go that low when we got a lot of volume here. So I assume that's the place higher where we're gonna trade for a bit. And then it depends on the mood of market maker. It depends on the big player where we're gonna go. So maybe like that, or maybe straight there. Easy.